ServiceTitan is typically used by large HVAC and plumbing companies with multiple trucks and office staff, while Commusoft is more common for smaller to mid-sized service businesses that want a simpler field service system. By the end, you'll know which one fits your business size, what each platform is actually built for, and where people usually make the wrong choice when comparing them. ServiceTitan is built as an all-in-one enterprise field service platform. It covers scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, reporting, and customer management in one system. It also includes deeper tools for sales tracking and operational reporting, which is why it's often used by companies trying to scale past a small team. The trade-off is complexity. ServiceTitan is designed for structured operations, so setup takes time, and most teams need onboarding and training before they use it smoothly. It's not built for quick setup or lightweight use. Commusoft takes a different approach. It focuses on field service management with a simpler interface and faster onboarding. It handles job scheduling, customer records, job tracking, and invoicing without pushing heavy enterprise workflows. It's often chosen by smaller service companies that want something practical they can start using quickly, without building a full internal system around the software. Now the key difference between them is scale versus simplicity. ServiceTitan is built for companies that want detailed control over every part of their operation, especially if they have multiple departments, sales teams, and a high volume of jobs each day. Commusoft is built for teams that want to stay organized without dealing with a complex system. It's more focused on day-to-day job management than advanced business analytics. Pricing is also structured differently. ServiceTitan is positioned as a premium platform with custom pricing based on company size and needs. Commusoft uses more straightforward subscription-based pricing tiers depending on features and users. So the decision usually comes down to this. If you're running a large operation and need deep reporting, automation, and multi-team coordination, ServiceTitan fits better. If you want something easier to implement and manage for a smaller team, Commusoft is usually the more practical option. To sum it up, ServiceTitan is built for scale, Commusoft is built for simplicity, and choosing the wrong one usually means either paying for features you don't use or outgrowing your software too quickly. If you're deciding between them, the next step is simple. Match your current team size and workflow complexity to the platform, instead of choosing based on brand popularity. Subscribe for more straight comparisons like this.